Hello, Roberts Middle School students. It's Mrs. Lopez here with a video to show you how you can access your Syracuse City School District email account. Did you know that you had a Syracuse City School District email? Well, you do. First, we're going to start on the Syracuse City School District page. You're going to scroll down to Library. And there's two ways that you can access your email account, through Clever or through this Office 365 button. Both of them take you to the same place. I'm going to show you how to access through Clever, since that's where most of the apps and things are that we've been using. So you click on your Clever. It's going to ask you to enter your district login and password, which I've already done. So it's just going to take me right to my Clever site. You're going to come to your Clever site that shows all of the different apps that you can access. Newsy LA, if your teacher maybe has assigned a quiz or an assignment on Castle Learning. If you're in a Language Live class, Dreambox, all of these can be accessed here. Canvas, where your teachers have been putting up great assignments and lessons. That's where you should go to check for any information from your teachers. If you keep scrolling down, you're going to find a button that says Office 365. When you click on Office 365, it's going to bring you to your Office 365 account. Here, you have access to Onedrive, which is where you can save documents, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, all of these. Even if you don't have these applications on your computer, you can use these online versions through your Office 365 account. So you could create a Word document or a PowerPoint that you could share with your teachers for an assignment. You can access those all here and save them. This is where you also access your email account. So this first button here is called Outlook. When you click on that, it will take you to your email account. So this is where you will receive emails. You might want to check to see if you've got an email from teachers or anybody trying to contact you. And then if you want to send a message, you can click New Message here. All of the people that have Syracuse City School District emails, their addresses are already saved in here. So let's say you want to send a message to Miss Stereo. You can go here, just start typing Stereo, and her name will pop up. Or maybe you want to send a message to Miss Emmanuel. Start typing in her name, and her address will come up there. So then you can type your message to them. You can attach a file if you're submitting an assignment or some work. You can attach that here, and then you can go ahead and send that to them. I hope this was helpful to show you how you can access your email account. I hope everybody is staying safe, and we really hope we get to see you soon.